สวัสดีค่ะสบายดีไหมคะ Hi are you guys welcome to the series of everything in Thai by Thai by Ben. So today we are going to teach you how to say and how to use the Thai slang that you maybe usually hear from the Thai teenage here. So I will give you some an example as well so you can understand it better. Okay, so we're gonna move to the first word is ap-bdew. Ap-bdew is trying to be cute or innocent. For example, Ben is trying to act innocent and cute. Ben พยายามที่จะ ap-bdew และน่ารัก like this. Or you usually see like some people when they taking the selfie, they're gonna make the dark lip like this. And big eyes, just trying to be ap-bdew or trying to be cute in the photo. Alright, so we move to another word is cool. เจ๋ง wow, it's awesome. เจ๋ง So this is the Chinese word, but we adopt it here in Thai language. So say like เจ๋ง it's pretty cool. For example, that car is really cool. We say รถยนต์คันนั้นเจ๋งมาก It's pretty cool. Like Ducati, or it's not about the car, maybe like the big bike like Ducati, something like that. Alright, some word like what? The word steal thunder. In Thai we say ka-moi-seen or yaeng-seen. For example, that girl is stealing somebody thunder. ผู้หญิงคนนั้นกำลังขโมยซีนคนอื่น Now that girl is stealing somebody thunder. Alright, another word that we usually hear when we worry. So in Thai we say noi or means paranoid. Yeah. This kind of word we adopted from English language, so we speak like in Thai accent, noi. For example, when you want to say like I am paranoid about my relationship with Jim, ฉันรู้สึกนอยในความสัมพันธ์ของฉันกับจิม ฉันรู้สึกนอยในความสัมพันธ์ของฉันกับจิม Okay, and another word, maybe the last word for this series, for this video, the last word is chék-rate-dting. This is also adopted from English language as well, mean check the popularity. For example, I am going to check how popular I am in Facebook. ฉันจะไปเช็คเรตติ้งใน Facebook. Okay, ฉันจะไปเช็คเรตติ้งใน Facebook. You see, like usually people they're gonna post the comment or their photo on their Facebook just to see how many people they press like and share or love or whatever, just to check their popularity. So that's kind of acting. We say like chék-rate-dting or some kind of thing like that. Alright, that's this guide. I hope you guys get the idea how to say this kind of word and use the kind of word in the everyday life. And thanks for watching. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel so as to up to date to the latest video on this channel. Alright, I hope you take very good care of yourself and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you นะคะ ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบายค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ